Create events in WhatsApp. So here is a clear step-by-step guide for your post. First of all you have to do is open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to create an event. Once in there, tap on the plus icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, tap on the event option available there. And once you tap on the event, all you have to do is select the name for your event and enter it. Then enter the description of the event. And after you do so, simply enter the date and time, location, and all you have to do is tap on the create button available there. Once you tap on the create, your event will now appear in the group chat and everyone can tap it to see details or RSVP. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.